In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a CC in Gmail. Adding carbon copies, or CCs, is a great way to keep others in the loop regarding important email conversations without making them the primary recipients. Let's dive into how you can do this effortlessly in Gmail. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, go to the Gmail website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, click on the Compose button, which you'll find on the top left side of your screen. This will open a new email window where you can start drafting your message. Now, as you prepare to write your email, you'll see the To field, where you usually enter the recipient's email address. Right below this field is where you'll find the option to add a CC. Next to the word To, you'll see the CC option. Click on CC, and a new line will appear right below the To field. Here, you can enter the email addresses of anyone you want to include in the email as a secondary recipient. These recipients will receive a copy of the email, but it's clear they are not the primary recipients. Once you've entered the email addresses in the CC field, you can move on to writing the subject of your email. This step might seem straightforward, but crafting a concise and informative subject line will help ensure your email is opened and the contents are read. Now proceed to the main body of your email and write the contents as you usually would. Remember, those in the CC list will have the same access to your email content as the primary recipient. Before hitting send, it's always a good idea to double-check the email addresses you've entered. This one quick check could prevent any awkward situations caused by accidentally sending the email to the wrong person. Also, review the content for typos or errors, ensuring it fits the purpose for which it's intended. Once you're satisfied with your email, press the Send button. The email will now be sent to both your primary recipient and everyone you included in the CC field. It's just that easy. Using the CC field is especially useful for business communications. It allows team members or supervisors to stay informed without being directly involved. Just keep in mind, every recipient can see who else has received the email, which may not always be desirable if discretion is required. If privacy is a concern, you might want to consider using the BCC option instead. And that's how you add a CC in Gmail, helping you communicate efficiently and keep everyone in the loop as needed. Thanks for watching.